Okay, welcome to SmartWeb YouTube channel. So many people have been complaining about after they watch my first video of getting what's it called, the Paraphraser Pro, and it has been giving them issues in the sense that if they want to paraphrase, if they come back to paraphrase after using it that day, it may not actually work for them. So here I will show you that it's just very simple. I'm trying to explain on the comment section, but it's actually giving a lot of people issues. So if you have not watched my previous video of how to get Canva Pro, please try and watch, subscribe this video to support SmartWave YouTube channel. So here I'll be showing you how you can actually do it. It's not hard. When you do this, when you get the Paraphraser Pro, actually when you get the Paraphraser Pro from the first video that I taught you guys how to get it for free, and maybe you come back the next and see it's not working, this is what you have to do. You can see if I type here, let me just type something, come here, and I try to paraphrase it. It's taking a lot of time, it's not appearing, it's not working. And if you check from here, you can see this is actually Canva. This is actually, sorry, not Canva, QuillBot Pro. So what I will do is I will refresh this. I will refresh it. When I refresh it, I will go back to Paraphraser also. I'll go back to Paraphraser. Now, what I will do here is I will allow it to load. If you can see, it's loading already, so I will allow it to load. Sorry for wasting your time. Let me allow it to load. Now you can see it has already appeared here. So I will do this. I will log out from here. You can see it has said upgrade to premium. The QuillBot Pro has already disappeared. So what you need to do is log in again. Make sure that this comes out. If it tells you continue with Paraphraser, cancel it and make sure that you log in through this way I'm showing you exactly. Click on continue with Google. Let's allow it to load. It's logging in already. Excuse me. Now it has logged in, so let's allow it to load completely so that this upgrade to premium will disappear on its own. So let's wait, let's have patience and wait for it. If you have not seen that QuillBot Premium, that means this has not finished loading. So let's allow it to load. You don't have to do any other thing, just allow it to load on its own. Okay, sorry for taking your time, but we just have to do this. Let's allow it to still loading. Exactly, see that on its own it's disappeared. So you can easily come here now and type come here, paraphrase. You see it's working already. You can see it from here. It's working. It has already appeared. It has started working already. You can see it's interpreted as come on over here. So you see it's working. So this is all you have to do. Just log out and log into your paraphraser. Allow it to load until this premium appears. You continue what you're doing. You don't have to start from beginning to start to crack it to get the QuillBot Pro again. So thank you. If you like this video, subscribe, like, give it a thumbs up and all that. So if you don't know how to get this QuillBot Premium, you can watch my previous video on how I taught you guys how to get this for free. You don't have to pay any money, how to get it for free.